Hello, I am Samuel Fori, and this is Oaks EduTech. In this special Microsoft for Data Analysis Fundamental course, we have carefully created this course for young analysts or incoming data analysts or anyone who wants to develop analytical skills using Microsoft Excel. Now let's look at the training description for this course. This course is carefully designed to provide practical and structural guide in using Microsoft Excel, as Microsoft Excel is a very powerful productivity software for data analysis, visualization, reporting, and storytelling. Learners will also be introduced to the Microsoft Excel interface, its core features, enabling efficient and effective workbook management and navigation. We will also introduce learners to the techniques for summarizing and analyzing data using their own defined formulas, functions, and additional Excel built-in tools, including tables and pivot tables to help in analyzing complex data. And lastly, learners will be introduced to data visualization with the sole concept on conditional formatting. The hands-on practical sections in this course are created to assist learners gain in-depth knowledge, flexibility in using Microsoft Excel for problem solving, and this helps improve business decision making. Let's look at the training content. Learners will be introduced to the Microsoft Excel interface, as we have already said. Introduction to Microsoft Excel operations. We'll talk about text analytics, number and date functions, logical and lookup functions, name ranges, tables, and we'll conclude the training course on this first series, the fundamental series on introduction to data visualization, where we concentrate on only conditional formatting. The best way to learn Excel is to use Excel, and the more you practice, the more you become efficient in using Microsoft Excel. I will advise you, or as you watch the lecture video, you practice along. You can go online to get additional data for more practical sections by yourself. This training course, if you spend an hour a day, should take you 3 or 4 sections to finish the whole course. I'm glad you have signed up to this program, and we will all learn together. You can share your comments, you can share your knowledge, and also the best possible way to improve this course going forward. Let's start our lecture videos, let's start our tutorials in the next one. Stay glued, get your Excel, get your mind ready, and we will dive into Microsoft Excel. See you in the next video. Thank you.